Smart home security systems make it easy to protect your home with real-time alerts, video monitoring, and remote access. Whether you want DIY setup or full-service protection, we've rounded up the best systems to keep your home safe and connected. Number 1. ANRAN 4K 8MP PoE Security Camera System. The system supports identifying humanoid/animals/car models/packages, which can reduce false alarms and provide accurate alerts. The camera is equipped with a speaker and a microphone, and when your package arrives, you can remotely talk to the courier through the app to dispose of your package. The camera is equipped with a speaker and a microphone, and when your package arrives, you can remotely talk to the courier through the app to dispose of your package. The camera's motion motor and spherical structure allow the camera to have nearly 360 degrees horizontal rotation and 90 degrees vertical rotation, allowing you to see more field of view. The camera has undergone rigorous waterproof testing and can work completely normally even in heavy rain. And there are no problems with high temperatures and severe cold. The camera does not need an additional power supply. Just connect the camera to the PoE NVR through the RJ45 network cable included in the package, and the camera can be directly connected and work. Compared with H.264, H.265 has greatly improved the use of storage space, video loading speed, and image quality. The system adopts the H.265 encoding standard, which provides more operability space for system performance. Number 2. Annke was 500 H.264 Plus 5MP wireless CCTV system. Reliable indoor-outdoor surveillance with IP66 rated cameras, designed to withstand harsh weather. Efficient H.264 Plus compression minimizes storage space while maintaining high-quality video. Communicate with visitors or deter intruders with built-in microphone and speaker for two-way audio. Enjoy the convenience of wireless setup with plug-and-play ease. No wiring hassles. Capture crisp, detailed footage with 5MP resolution, ensuring clear visuals for surveillance and monitoring. Number 3. Wi-Fi Kit Solar Camera. The solar panel and the camera are connected as an integral whole, continuously charging the built-in battery of the camera in a place with light. Save electricity. The unique PIR lens of the camera is specially designed to recognize human figures. While recognizing human figures, the camera can sound an alarm to scare off strangers. When your express delivery arrives, you can handle your package remotely through the app's two-way voice function. The camera is equipped with 4 LED lights, which can provide you with the same color night vision as during the day in the dark night, allowing you to view clear and colorful surveillance with peace of mind at night. The NVR and the router are connected through the RJ45 network port, and the camera and the NVR are directly connected through Wi-Fi without any wire connection. Number 4. ANRAN 3MP FHD Wireless Video Security System. Store extensive footage with a 6 TB HDD, ensuring you never miss a moment. Easily monitor your surveillance with a 10-inch LCD screen, providing a large viewing area. See clearly in the dark with 18 PCS IR LEDs, providing up to 100-foot night vision range. Outdoor-ready IP66 cameras withstand harsh weather, perfect for all-season surveillance. Capture crisp, clear footage with 3MP FHD resolution, ensuring every detail is visible. Number 5. KERUI 6MP Full HD 8CH Wireless Camera System. Capture every detail with dual-lens 3MP plus 3MP equals 6MP clarity, ensuring comprehensive surveillance. Efficient H.265 plus compression reduces file size by 50% without compromising image quality. Flexible setup with wireless and wired connections for optimal network stability. Non-invasive IR sensor for clear night vision, ensuring 24/7 monitoring. User-friendly interface with support for 28 languages, catering to a diverse audience.